Have you ever had this feeling? You study English for years. You know all the grammar rules, you have a big vocabulary, but then you talk to a native speaker and you feel lost.
Oh, absolutely. They speak so fast and they use all these little phrases that you never learned in your textbook. It feels like a completely different language.
Exactly. It's like you prepared for a nice, slow game of chess, and suddenly you're playing high speed ping pong.
That is the perfect way to describe it.
Welcome to the Real English Podcast Work and Life. I'm Michael.
And I'm Sophie. And if you've ever felt that way, you are in the right place. We are here to help you leave the textbook behind and start sounding more natural in English.
That's right. Today, you'll learn 10 phrases that native speakers use every single day. These are simple, practical, and will make a huge difference in your conversations. Ready?
Let's do it.
Okay, before we jump into the phrases, let's talk about one quick idea. Natural English is often simple.
Yes, this is so important. Many learners think they need to use big words and complex sentences to sound smart, but actually, native speakers usually use short, simple, and friendly language.
Right. Think about it. When someone asks you, can we meet at 3 p.m., you don't say, that proposed time is acceptable to me.
No, you say something like, sounds good, or that works. It's faster, easier, and much more natural.
So today, remember, keep it simple. The goal is connection, not perfection.
I love that. Connection, not perfection. Okay, let's get to our phrases.
All right, phrase number one is one we just used. Sounds good. This just means I agree or that is a good idea. You use it to agree to a plan or suggestion. For example, let's get coffee tomorrow morning. You can say, sounds good.
Right. Or if your boss says, please finish this report by Friday, you can reply, sounds good.
Exactly. Here's a mini dialogue. Imagine we're in a meeting.
Okay, let's move on to the next topic.
Actually, do you mind if I ask a quick question about the last point?
Not at all. Go ahead. Using that makes you sound so much more polite and considerate.
Okay. Number four is for clarification. What do you mean?
It's okay to not understand. This is how you ask.
Exactly. It means, can you explain that in a different way? You use it when you are confused. For instance, if someone says, we need to leverage our synergies, you might say, what do you mean?
Yes, please tell me what you mean. Or if a friend says, I'm feeling a bit blue today, you could ask, what do you mean by blue?
Let's see it in a dialogue.
The new project is on the back burner for now.
I'm sorry, what do you mean by on the back burner?
Oh, it means it's not a priority right now. We will work on it later.
Okay, I get it.
It shows confidence to ask for clarification. It's much better than just nodding and staying confused.
Absolutely. Now for phrase number five. This one is for when you are explaining something. Does that make sense?
Right, it's like a friendly way to check if the other person is following you.
Yep. It means, do you understand what I'm saying? It's great after you give instructions or explain a complex idea. For example, so you open the file, enter the data in column B, and then save it. Does that make sense?
Or when explaining directions, turn left at the traffic light, then it's the second building on the right. Does that make sense?
Here's how you might hear it.
We need to focus more on our key demographic. That's who we are selling to. Does that make sense?
Yes, that makes total sense. So we need more ads for young people.
Exactly. It's a really collaborative phrase. It invites the other person into the conversation.
All right, we're halfway there. Phrase number six is simple. Got it.
Short and sweet.
This means I understand. You use it to confirm you have received information or instructions. It's a perfect, quick response. For example, your manager says, please have this done by noon. You say, got it.
Or if someone gives you their phone number, you can say, got it, to show you've written it down correctly.
Here's a quick dialogue.
Remember, the meeting is in room 5, not room 6.
Got it. Room 5. See you there.
Perfect. Very efficient and clear. I like it.
Number 7 is for making suggestions. How about,
This is a gentle way to offer an idea.
right, that means, what do you think of this idea? You use it to suggest a plan or an alternative. For example, if someone says, I'm hungry, you can say, how about we order a pizza?
Or if you're in a meeting and can't agree on a date, you could say, how about next Tuesday?
Here's how you might hear it.
I'm not sure this marketing plan is working.
How about we try using more social media ads?
That's a good idea. Let's look into that. It's so much softer than saying, we should do this. It invites discussion.
Phrase number 8 is very kind. Take your time.
Oh, everyone loves to hear this.
It means there's no need to rush. You say it when someone is feeling pressured or is apologizing for being slow. If a colleague says, I'm sorry, I need a minute to find a file, you can say, no problem, take your time.
Or if someone is struggling to explain something in English, you can give them a warm smile and say, take your time. It's very encouraging.
Here's the dialogue.
Can you send me that email now?
Yes, just 1 second. I'm sorry, my computer is being a little slow.
No worries. Take your time. Such a simple phrase, but it really makes people feel comfortable.
Okay, number 9 is for when you need a moment to think. Let me see.
This is a great alternative to just being silent.
It's a natural way to say, let me think or let me check. You use it when you're asked a question and you don't know the answer immediately. If someone asks, are you free on Friday? You can say, let me see, while you check your calendar.
Exactly. Or what's the capital of Australia? Let me see. I think it's Canberra.
Here's the quick one.
Do we have the final sales numbers for this month?
Let me see. Yes, here they are.
That's a great filler phrase. It makes the conversation flow smoothly.
And finally, phrase number 10. By the way.
Super common.
This phrase is used to introduce a new topic or a piece of information that is not directly related to the current conversation. For example, I finished the report. By the way, did you see the email about the company party?
It's a great way to change the subject smoothly. You could be talking about a movie and then say, by the way, I saw your brother yesterday.
Let's hear a dialogue.
The meeting went really well today.
I agree. By the way, are you going to David's farewell lunch on Friday?
Oh, I almost forgot about that. Yes, I'll be there. That is such a useful phrase for connecting different parts of a conversation.
Okay, now let's put it all together. We are going to do a role play of two coworkers having a chat. First, you'll hear a version with stiff textbook English.
Listen to how it sounds. Okay, Michael, I will begin.
I am ready.
Hello, Michael. It is requested that I ask you a question regarding the quarterly report.
You may proceed.
The data on page 5 is confusing to me. I would like an explanation. Do you comprehend my meaning?
I need a moment to check the document. It is my conclusion that we should discuss it tomorrow. Is 10 a.m. an acceptable time?
That is agreeable.
Okay, it's correct, but it sounds like a robot.
A very formal, serious robot. Now let's hear the same conversation using some of our phrases from today. This will sound much more natural.
Ready.
Hey, Michael, do you mind if I ask you a quick question about the quarterly report?
Not at all. What's up?
I'm a bit confused by the data on page 5. I'm not sure what it's showing. Does that make sense?
Yeah, I get it. It's a little confusing. Let me see. You know what? I need to look at it more closely. How about we chat about it tomorrow morning? Maybe 10 a.m.?
Sounds good. Oh, by the way, I heard you got tickets for the big game this weekend.
I did!
No way, that's awesome.
See the difference? Same information, but the second one feels like a real conversation between two people.
It really does. It's all about those small connecting phrases.
Okay, now it's your turn to practice. We will say a line and you repeat it out loud. Try to copy the pronunciation and intonation. Ready?
Listen and repeat. Sounds good.
Got it.
Take your time.
Let me see.
By the way,
Does that make sense?
now 2 polite phrases. Do you mind if I open the window?
How about we meet at 3?
And 2 reactions. No way.
What do you mean?
Great job. Practicing out loud is one of the best ways to improve.
So that's it for today. You learned 10 fantastic phrases that will help you sound more natural in your everyday conversations. Remember, you don't need perfect grammar.
That's right. You need real phrases and the confidence to use them. The key is practice. Try to use 1 or 2 of these phrases today.
If you found this helpful, subscribe for more weekly Real English. We're here to help you on your journey.
And we have a question for you. In the comments, tell us which phrase will you use today. We would love to hear from you.
Thanks for listening to the Real English Podcast.
Keep practicing, and we'll see you next time.